Hello guys, today I've got a Target spring decor haul for you. Spring is my favorite season and I'm so ready for the warmer weather, flowers, and spring clothes. I've been going through Target and I've been wanting to get some new spring items. So to get a head start on spring, I picked out these items and let's get straight into this video. The first item in the spring decor haul is a faux plant. If you've been through Target, you know that they're getting in a ton of new faux plants and florals. I really love this palm. It's so realistic looking. And when I first saw it, it didn't look very realistic because the stems were all straight up. But these are nice bendable stems to be able to manipulate them really well to fit your space. This is by the line Project 62 and I got this for $24.99. At the beginning of the lockdowns, I really started getting into plants. I started slowly with the live ones. So I probably have half faux and half real plants right now. I really love the look of being able to bring plants into a space. I'm happy I got this one pretty early. If you see something you like at Target, grab it because they come out with stuff pretty early. And I've noticed that some of these items are starting to get a little bit sparse. I'm sure they have a lot more stock online. All of these items will be listed down below in the description box if you want to take a look at them. One of my first faux plants is this fern from Target. I do believe that they still have this particular one. It's by Threshold and it was $24.99 as well. I noticed that my Target had one of these and then they do have some new ferns. I do like the way that this one looks. It looks very realistic to me and very easy to take care of and manage. Go ahead and stick around. You'll see one of my favorite items from this haul, and then you'll also see that my oldest daughter, she lives in Virginia Beach, she got the same item as well. The next item that I picked up at Target was this watering can from the Hearth and Hand line, and this is $14.99. I've been eyeing this one for a little while because I do have the live plants and I just pretty much take a measuring cup, one of the larger ones, and water my plants. But I have seen this one. I originally thought when I looked at the price that I saw either $24 or $34.99. I saw it again this last time when I was picking out some spring decor and I decided to look at the price and it was $14.99. So I was way off because I just moved past it the last time that I saw it. But when I looked at the price, it was $14.99. I needed something to be able to put more water in because this is bigger than the measuring cup that I've been using. I have a palm tree out on our patio and I wanted something cute to be able to water my plants with. I saw this originally and thought it was adorable. I love that it has just the old-fashioned kind of vintage look to it. That's what I really love about Joana Gaines' whole line, is that it has so many items that are replicated from the old vintage looks. This carries 0.84 gallons of water in it, so this is perfect for the plants that I have to water. Moving on, I found something in the Target dollar section that I really liked. It's this little coffee container. It says Premium Love You a Latte Coffee. This was $3 and I just thought it was a cute little item to put up on the kitchen counter to be able to store our coffee. We do drink a ton of coffee. My husband makes his cappuccinos, his espressos. He likes his whole beans and he crushes them. I thought this would be really cute to be able to put some of our coffee beans in. Up next is an item that I got to just really tie in my living room space. Something that I like to get every year towards springtime are new decorative pillows. What I really loved about these ones is that my last ones were just all white because we have like a cream kind of natural couch. A lot of our furniture has black trim around it, so instead of going with the all white or cream decorative pillows, I wanted to find something that had some black dark tones in it. These pillows by Hearth and Hand were perfect when I saw them. At first I could only find one and then I found another one in a different section, so I was so happy I was able to find two in the store because these were the last two left in my particular store. These are $19.99. They have little tassels on each of the corners of the pillow. It has a cream and just, this is more of a dark gray tone on the front of the fabric, and then on the back it's more of a natural color. Decorative pillows are just such an easy, just more of a low cost way to just kind of transform things a little bit around the house. Moving on, and because this is a spring inspired home decor video, I got something that my daughter and I could just do together. We're going to plant these poppy seeds together. It's a little growth kit. Now Target has this whole section of different growth kits that you can get. They have a strawberry patch kit, they have a cacti, they have different flower kits, they have lavender. Down below they had this vegetable kit, which is a standing vegetable kit. You can put it out on a patio or a small space. It looks very low maintenance. It's $59.99, but it comes with everything that you need to be able to grow a little vegetable garden. I was really thinking about that one, and I still am. We don't have a ton of space on our patio, but I'm still thinking about it because I think it can be worked in, and I think it could be fun to be able to do a little vegetable garden. That's an option for all of the different growth kits that they have. That's one of them. I got something really simple and easy to be able to do with my youngest daughter. She's going to be 13. This one is the Poppy Grow Kit, and poppies are the California flower. In the springtime, there are beautiful hills filled with poppies around here. So I thought it'd be really cool to be able to grow our own little poppies in one of the little kits. This kit was only $2.49, and they have a ton of different price ranges and different things that you could choose from. The Strawberry Patch Kit was $19.99, and the larger vegetable kit was $59. So I went with the easier option to be able to try something out. This looks really simple and fun, and we can do something together. I think the whole process of watching something grow, especially something that I love so much, flowers, is just really special. So if you want to do something just kind of fun and be able to watch something grow with your kids and do a little project, these are really great, fun ideas. My next item for spring is a scented candle, and I really love these ones from Meyers. This is a scented soy candle. This candle is $9.99, and I just love the scent of lavender. My husband does too. We can go from our Christmas kind of winter smells over to some spring ones. The next item that I picked up from Target, and it's my favorite item, is this Hearth and Hand wreath. This was $34.99. It's time to get rid of the Christmas wreaths and put out something new for spring, and I was just so excited to get this one. It's just so pretty and simple, which is what I really like. My daughter in Virginia Beach also got the same one, so we have matching spring wreaths together. One of the easiest ways to be able to change up the seasons is to be able to get a new wreath, and it's right on the front door, one of the first things that people see. To go with my spring wreath, I got the Hearth and Hand wreath hanger. Now this is more of a heavy duty one. I do have some less expensive ones that go with my Christmas wreaths, but I'll probably use this one for all of them now. This is $9.99, and I found it over by the wreaths in the Hearth and Hand section, and it's just really nice, heavy duty, simple wreath hanger to be able to hang all of your wreaths up with. Another item at the front door that you can change things up is your doormat. I do have one from Target, and it says welcome home. It's by the line threshold. This doormat was $12.99, and I think it goes well with all of the decor that I have going right now. That's it for this Target spring decor haul. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your family, enjoy your coffee, and I will see you next time.